Hello guys, Carter Rock here with you, and today again I'm sitting in my Fiesta and I want to show you how to use the climate control features in this Fiesta. You may notice that I don't have actually the climate control, so my trim is cheaper than maybe yours. So if you have the climate control, this video is not for you. But if you have this kind looking climate control, I'm going to tell you how to use it correctly and properly. So you have, first of all, the heater, right? This thing will turn on and off the heater and actually regulate your temperature that you want to have in your car. In winter, when it's cold, this white thing will always be on this side, meaning that your heater is on. You have to make sure that the AC is not on. When the AC is on, you will see that this light is working. It shouldn't be working if you want to use the heater. So when you want to use the heater, make sure you don't have the AC. Make sure you have at least the first position of the fan, because it should blow some air inside the car. And make sure this white thing is located somewhere on the red side of the switch. You may need to regulate how warm you want it to be in your car, and then you have it. That's all you need to know about this. Then in summer, when it's hot outside, you will want to use your air conditioner. And in this case, start with this switch also and move it to this blue side of this switch. Maybe here or here, anywhere, but you will get the cold air whenever AC will be on. So you make sure this is here. You make sure that your fan is at least at the first position. You may want to put it in the second position, and then you turn on the AC. You turn on the AC, you see the AC light is on, and now you start getting cold air in your Ford Fiesta. Now your Fiesta also has the recirculation button. So if you're going after some old truck and you feel that this old truck is sending a lot of gas inside your car, you will press this button and recirculation will start working. So it basically closes you from the outer world, and you don't get any fresh air in your car, but you will not get these exhaust gases that you don't want to get. And I don't recommend driving in this um, mode for too long, because you will not get a fresh air, and so after some time you will maybe feel dizzy, you maybe feel bad. So make sure you turn off this function when you don't need it. Also, you can switch different positions of this switch, and you can use the you can choose where the air will go. It may go in your feet. It may go both on your feet and through these vents inside the cabin. It may go only inside the cabin. Usually I keep it in this position, so it blows on the windscreen from that point, and it blows to the feet. And it's okay, completely okay, so I can control the climate in the car with no problems. Another feature you have in this car is to defrost the windscreen. So if you sit in the car in a rainy weather and you notice that your windscreen is foggy, you may do the following. So you may just put this switch in here, and you see that it automatically turns on the air conditioner, and your windscreen will be very fast defrosted or defogged, let's say. Then you will just turn it off, and you will need to turn off the AC manually. I don't know why it works like that. And maybe the last thing you can turn on in this climate control system is the heating of the back window, that window. But in my car it stopped working. I don't know why. So I can't do this, but probably you can. And this is the end of this video about the climate control on Ford Fiesta. I hope I answered all your questions, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.